Let her use a knife.
I feel bad enough at being this close to her with the knife.
How is she going to learn?
She could barely use a spoon. I hope I got the whole thing. Ooh. Oh, look. She's just grew out of hers. Ooh, and look at that.
Ooh. Oh, she grew out of the other pink one?
Well, she's still wearing it, but it doesn't fit her so good. Look at that.
Get to the good stuff.
She's gonna love me.
Can I have one?
Dad would like one.
Oh, look, can I have one?
How did you know they were cookies? Did I spit on it?
Can I have one?
Thank you. Dad would like one. What about
Thanks.
Those are good.
Say thanks, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
These are way better than I remember.
Tell you what, give Grandma a dead stare.
Or eat more cookies.
Or just eat cookies. That's your thank you.
She shoved that whole thing in her mouth.
Oh. Thanks. Oh, and out. Ooh, Razor, you're going to get one. Give that to Razor. Go give it to Razor. Look how sad he looks. He's over there dying. I don't want that one. That one's a gross one. No, 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 no.
I'll eat it.
Mommy, take it. Pre-moistened. Thanks, Mom.